Hello everybody. Well, I just wanted to get this out here. I'm sure a few of you are probably wondering why it is that most of my flight videos, all but maybe one or two of them I've uploaded so far, are all in the same spot. Well, that's because this is pretty much it when it comes to where to fly in my area. There's two other places. One's about 45 minutes away, and the cons just outweigh the pros massively out there. Same thing with the other place. It's even closer to my house, the other place, but it's just too small, and I can only go there certain times, even though I got permission to fly there. And it's only if nothing's going on out there. It's a practice field by a high school. So here's it. This is it. This soccer complex right here. This is it. The pros far outweigh the cons in this place. I mean, there's facilities here. It's a nice field. People relatively leave me alone out here. And it's the only cons out here is the wind. Typically, it's very windy out here. Wind shifts around like crazy. It's just hard to fly. And the other thing is somebody is blasting 5.8 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz range signals across this field. Because on this end of the field, I've lost video several times, and I've also had a fail-safe over there, and I get a lot of low RF signal warnings on that end of the field. On this end of the field, I get low RF signal warnings, and I've lost video over there too as well. But I haven't had a fail-safe over there yet. Hopefully I don't. But yeah, I'm guessing from what I've mapped out, kind of, that it's coming from the house, a couple of the houses over here across the street, and I wish I could figure out who it is and be able to work with them to solve the problem and still give them whatever signal boost they need in their home. So anyway, yeah, I'm really happy I got permission to fly out here. The people gave me permission to fly. Now this is a soccer field, so if soccer teams come up, practice, play games, whatever, of course I pack up and I go somewhere else, or I see how long they're going to be, and if there's still going to be daylight afterwards, after they clear out, then I'll hang around and fly afterwards. But yeah, I don't have a problem with that. That's what this place is for, is soccer. It's not an airfield. But anyway, all I can do for you guys is try to spice things up a little bit here and there, try and change my flight styles, see what kind of trick combinations I can do. There's not a whole lot I can do about this area. There's just nowhere else to go. It's really bad for this around here. Plus, I'm the only one in the area really that does this. There's one other guy I know of, and he rarely ever gets a chance to go, and I've flown with him maybe 4 times all year. So I'm pretty much on my own. I'll just do what I can to keep things going for you guys. So anyway, here's a flight video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.